In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quick Find in Notion. This is a simple Notion tutorial designed especially for beginners, and it's perfect if you're looking to navigate your Notion workspace more efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp on finding any page or piece of information quickly with just a few keystrokes. So let's dive right into it. First, we need to initiate the Quick Find feature in Notion, and this is done by simply pressing Ctrl P if you're using a Windows computer. For Mac users, the equivalent shortcut would be Cmd P. Imagine Quick Find as your express train through Notion that allows you to reach your destination in no time. This shortcut is incredibly efficient and will save you precious seconds that add up throughout your day. Once you've opened Quick Find, your next step is to simply type in the name of the page or a keyword you want to locate. Think of this as the search field in any browser, but tailored to your Notion workspace. You have the freedom to enter anything from the specific title of a note to a keyword associated with the information you're seeking. What's fantastic about Quick Find is its ability to filter through massive amounts of data swiftly, narrowing down your options to the most relevant results. After you've punched in that page name or keyword, you'll notice that a list of results appears. This is where Quick Find really shows off its capability. The results are typically listed in order of relevance and frequency of access, helping you quickly identify the page you need. Take your time browsing through these options, though. Make sure you're selecting the page that most accurately fits what you're searching for. This helps ensure you're not just finding information quickly, but finding the right information. Finally, once you've identified the target page or information in the search results, all you need to do is click on that item and voila! You've jumped directly to that page in an instant. This step highlights the brilliant efficiency of Quick Find. You've moved from a general search concept to landing on a specific page with just a few clicks, bypassing potentially unnecessary navigation through your setup. With practice, these steps will become an intuitive part of your Notion routine, speeding up your workflow and making your project management experience more seamless. And there you have it. Those are the steps to effectively use Quick Find in Notion. Keep practicing this method, and you'll see how it significantly boosts your productivity and quality of life within Notion. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to use Quick Find to its full potential. Until next time, happy organizing!